Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to share with you some issues that I've been having with the Glowforge lately. Hopefully it'll save you some time and money and frustration, because it's been very frustrating. But what happened here today is this board here. It was a 1/4 inch MDF. All day long it's working fine, cutting through, no problem. Everything, I pick it up, everything falls out. Then I get to this one here, where it ends up being a tear out. Stuff won't fall out of it. It's just stuck in there. It's almost all the way through, but I can push most of it through, but it just rips some of it, and it just destroys the whole piece. Destroys the material. Wasted money, wasted time. I just throw that in the trash can. And the other issue I was having with, everything would line up on the computer just fine, computer screen just fine, and then I go over here, look at the cut when it's done. Cuts everything straight through, but it cut it off the side of the board. So here I have a star, and one of the pieces is missing from the star because it cut completely off the side of the board. Lined up perfectly on the computer. This is what I get for a finished product. So I'm going to show you what I learned, and hopefully save you some time and money in the process. The issue I was having with it not cutting all the way through the board lies right here. The lens, which you can take this head off here, no problem, it's magnetic. The lens in here, it seems to be sliding out on me. Comes down, it doesn't come all the way out, but it comes down just enough to affect the, you can see right there, I push it back in. It comes down just enough to affect the height of the focus on the laser, and it just doesn't cut all the way through the board. It's very frustrating. I don't know why it's coming out, but I've just been taking it back out of here. Get it down in there. Got the magnetic side here. Pull it up out of there. Yeah, I take the lens out with the magnetic side, flip it back over, and then just stick it back up in there. Just sit right on there like that, and then you just stick it right back up in there. And there's a little click. It clicks in there, but it's been giving me some trouble falling out of there. I don't know why, what the issue is, but should check that probably after every use, just to make sure your lens is staying in place and that the cut is cutting all the way through and it's focused where it's supposed to be focused. Another issue I've been having is sometimes, and I think this is what the issue was with that star not cutting out properly, is making sure everything's clean here. I think this is where you're going to get the height adjustment, the automatic height adjustment, cleaning off those lenses there. I usually clean these off with a wet paper towel and then just dry them off with a either microfiber cloth or a lens cloth, lint-free cloth, just to make sure they're nice and clean. Once you clean that, just pop it back in place there. It's magnetic. Slide it back to the back here, back in this position where it's supposed to be from the beginning. Another thing you want to make sure is clean is this little camera lens right here. That's also going to help make sure everything works properly, and you can see it on the computer screen. That gets pretty dirty. That's just a couple quick tips that you can use to help keep your Glowforge working properly. Simple things that any of us can do. Just check that lens. That's a big issue for some reason. I've seen a lot of other people have that same issue. But if you're having a problem with it not cutting all the way through, it's probably that lens. If you like these videos, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Thank you.